Hello Odooers. Today we will see how to display record on filter based in Devintelle module from Sale module. You can see here our module Devintelle. First install this module, so click on activate button. Now our module is installable. Go to Sales menu. And you can see here multiple orders. I selected 7 number of record. And state change in archive. So you can see here 7 number of record is removed here. When your record stage in archive stage, then not display here and only display in filter. Filter in selected archive. So you can see easily here. Again go to this record and state change on archive. So again added here. Thank you.